Hi, my name is Stephanie Centento, but they call me Bella, and I will be showing you how to contour and highlight. So in highlight, we're going to make something pop out towards you. As for contour, we're going to suck back away from you. For contouring, we need to make sure we have that look that looks great for your skin. So in contouring, highlighting, blush, you always want to start off with contour. Work from the bottom and build your way up. Using a bronzer 4 to 5 shades darker than you, I'm going to start off using my flat brush, kabuki brush, my flat F88 kabuki brush, and we're just going to pat some on, making sure you have enough of the product onto your brush. Then you're going to start from the corner of your ear and lining it up to the arch of your brow. You're going to start off by patting from the corner and working your way down. You want to make sure you just dab some on and then blend it. Making sure that the pigment is going onto your skin. Always make sure that you blend this out really well, because if not, it's just going to look like a big blob and it's not going to look pretty. So if you feel like you have too much of the pigment, you're going to just like rub some on your skin or like a paper towel, whatever makes you feel best comfortable, and just go back in there and pick some more of the pigment onto the brush and just keep tapping it on. You can usually like bring it up to your hairline just to sculpt out that shape and make sure you have a nice, well sculpted shape that you want to go to. I usually have a big forehead, so I like to go into the center and I'll just pat some on there. And you just keep making sure you're blending that out really well. So contouring is just the 3 of you. You're going to go down the temple onto your cheekbone and down your jawline. After you're done, you're going to go back with your foundation brush and you're going to just wipe off, just sculpt out the contour. My brush already has foundation, so I'm going to just go back in there and line it up. And just blend this out a little more. You never want to go downwards because it's going to damage the purpose of the contour. You always want to go upwards and just work your way up. Once you're done with that, you can see what this side looks like, which has the sculpted out, which opposed to this side that has nothing towards it and nothing on it. Once you're done with that, you're going to go back with my flat kabuki brush. I'm going to pat some on, and I'm going to do the same to the other side, starting from the arch of your ear to the corner of your brow, and just tap it in circular motion, making sure you create the line that you want. Usually making like a fishy face and just like sucking in the cheeks always helps, just to see where your line is at. And if you don't know how to contour, if you don't know where your line is at, just always do the fishy face and you will always see where your cheekbone is at and how you can determine where to start your contour. So you just fishy face, starting from the corner of your ear to the corner of your eyebrow. Then bringing it up to the corner of your forehead and down your jawline. And just making sure everything is being blended out. And that's the first step to contouring and sculpting out your face. See the difference? I did. And we will be back, and after these few messages, we'll continue to show you how to highlight and blush.
Everybody stick behind me.
I mean, I think I'm gonna just, cause I can't read it. Continuing, welcome back. Continuing with our contour, you're gonna grab a highlighting. I'm using Makeup Forever HD number 345, and to highlight, you're going to make 3 lines down the V of your eye, starting from the corner. And I'm just going to take my Pro Airbrush Concealer number 57, and I'm going to just pat it into my skin, making sure you're blending that all in. Bringing it all the way up to your temples. So you pat and just blends it in. You're going to take some more of that and do it to the other side, from the corner of your eye all the way up to your temples. Just like that. And just blend it in, making sure you sink it into your skin so you can get that nice highlight. You can usually contour your nose. I am not a fan of contouring my nose. I naturally just leave it like that. Then you're gonna go with this and just do like a little flower by the forehead, making sure you highlight that as well. Pat it down into the skin, making sure that pigment gets in there, and just keep going in circular motions. Going back to my contour, I'm going to just blend this out. just making sure everything is in there together so you don't have any sharp lines. And that's how you have your nice highlight. If you want, you can also sharpen up more the contour by just creating a line. And just blend it out, just to give it more of a sharp edge. I'm so confused. I don't understand any signals. I'm not done.